forecast from Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
Hey, welcome back into the weekend. Rain is going to roll through as a little storm tries to make its way across the region. Breezy winds accompany some of that rain overnight tonight into early tomorrow. And then we're talking about late Saturday into Sunday, some of that rain trying to turn over to some snow, with some accumulation looking possible for us, especially across southeastern Kentucky. Here's a snapshot of the weekend. 42 for your high on Saturday. That's where we're going to start. 38 goes up to about 42 in the early morning, but cold air starts to funnel in along the cold front as the rain chances sort of peter out during the middle of the day. They revamp as we get into later parts of the night, and then snow showers look pretty likely for early Sunday morning. The temperatures continuing to drop as we go throughout the entirety of the weekend. Here's the storm right now, right near Oklahoma City. It's kicking some rain showers up all the way across the deep south there, Louisiana, getting some Arkansas, working its way in towards Kentucky. Cloud cover starting to increase for us now. Here's what it's going to look like for timing according to the next big thing. Of course, we've got the cloud cover showing up. This is a pretty good initiation, meaning that the model is kind of getting what's going on in a good way. Rain as early as midnight tonight, the bulk of it coming down through early parts of tomorrow morning. You'll see here that we get some dry periods in there with some more scattered banding of rain taking place. Here's our first sign of some of that rain trying to turn over to snow as cold air starts to come in out of the north. This is 7:30 p.m. Tomorrow evening, and then you work through Sunday morning and it starts to expand. It starts to strengthen just a little bit, maybe even some darker blues in the mix, some streaking taking place, meaning we could have some bands of some moderate snowfall in there briefly. So here's what we're thinking. This is Saturday night into Sunday, kind of a first idea of some spots in southeastern Kentucky getting maybe 1 to 2 inches of snow after we pick up maybe 1/4 of an inch of rain at most. Trace to an inch for everything in gray. We're going to keep adjusting this line to see where the heaviest will line up. Certainly not a huge snowmaker by any means, but some slippery spots could develop. Now the wind speeds are going to be gusting upwards of 20+ miles an hour overnight tonight and into tomorrow. We'll see them flip from the south to the north. That's going to be the big change to bring in the colder temperatures, and they do stay breezy all the way through Sunday night and into Monday morning. And I'll show you why that could be an issue here as we get into this weekend. Behind this system, a very large pool of frigid Arctic air is going to work down as deep as places like Alabama, Mississippi, and Georgia. Look at this. We go from 47 to the teens by Monday, and we're talking about lows getting into the single digits as we get into Monday morning. Sunday morning, wind chills in the single digits above zero, but the really cold part and potentially an issue for us is what it could look like early Monday morning. We could be talking about wind chills well below zero. Air temperatures above zero, but well below zero in the wind chill department. Still an issue for us as we go through early parts of next week. That's going to be a common theme for us as we roll through the 7-day forecast here. Take a look. As we get into Monday, cold. Daytime highs only in the teens. That's like 25 degrees below average. We do it again into Tuesday and then into Wednesday morning before we start to see a little warm up into next weekend. Another system already showing up for late next week as well. It's the good part that this cold snap is only a couple of days, but it might be wrapping up with warmer temps and the chance for snow by the end of the week. That's all we've got for weather. We've got some sports for you after the break.